This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, commercial-free satellite radio, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air vents for rear-seated passengers, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Andy Mohr Avon Nissan is located at 8867 East Highway 36 in Avon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.